Hi, this is Shritama. Welcome to my channel Shree's Beauty Wallet. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment, do subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Today I'm going to talk about glycolic acid. Before you watch this video, I would like you to watch the video on hyaluronic acid. The link is attached on the top. Why am I saying this? Because glycolic acid is a very potent product and one should introduce the skin first with hyaluronic acid before coming to any other acids. So what is glycolic acid? Glycolic acid belongs to a group called AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid. It is also known as fruit acid because it derives from sugarcane. It is a type of chemical exfoliant which helps in shedding your dead skin cells by revealing new brighter layer underneath that dead skin cells by acting on stratum corneum, which is the outermost layer of a skin. It also helps in stimulating collagen production, which reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Glycolic acid is the most commonly used AHA due to its water solubility and small molecular size. This allows it to easily penetrate into the skin more effectively than any other acids. So it is often used in many anti-aging products. Many acne treatment products also contains glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is an incredible popular treatment. It helps in effective skin renewing property. It helps in pigmentation, it helps in fading your scars, increase cellular turnover, helps other ingredients penetrate better and smoothen the texture of your skin. AHA have a strong effect on your skin and should be introduced slowly into your daily regime. It is better to start with toner which has low concentration of glycolic acid before graduating to stronger products. By doing this, it will allow your skin to build up a tolerance and avoid any potential irritation. Toner should be used as a second step of your skincare routine. So today we are going to talk about Pixi Glow Tonic, which is an exfoliating toner. It started the entire cult of Pixi Beauty. Pixi Beauty is the pioneer of glycolic acid. They were the first to introduce glycolic acid and others just followed them. Read out what it says. It says it has 5% of glycolic acid, which is very potent. It has aloe vera gel which soothes and hydrates your skin. The good thing about it is alcohol free, paraben free, cruelty free and vegan. It has 5% of glycolic acid, which is a very good exfoliator, and as I grow older I needed a toner which is not harsh to my skin, and that is going to make that difference to my skin, and this really does. It has a good humectant which will hydrate your skin and will give you an instant glow to your skin. Let me tell you one thing, something that exfoliates your skin will brighten your skin and will give you an even skin tone. This is the benefit of an exfoliator. This is a very potent product. Firstly, it will work on your acne scars. If you have hyperpigmentation, please give this a try. I am seeing people using this product every day or every second day, but to my opinion, twice a week is perfect. I use this product precisely 5 times. First week I used only on Mondays. Second week I used Monday and Thursday. On third week I repeated Monday, Wednesday and Friday. This is a very potent product. You have to be very cautious to it. You have to understand one thing, what are you pairing this product with? Do not use any other AHAs or BHAs like lactic acid or salicylic acid on the same day. That will clash with glycolic acid. You can't go ahead and put vitamin C serum or a cream on top of this. Hyaluronic acid is a good option here. Our facial skin is the thinnest, so you have to be very cautious. This will make your skin photosensitive. That is, it will make your skin sensitive towards sun. Put a lot of sunscreen on next day after washing your face. And this is the reason I think or believe glycolic acid product should be used in night only. Though it is written AM and PM both, but in my opinion, glycolic acid will work best in your night care. You put this product and sleep off and wake up next in the morning and wash your face. Another way to use that which I used last night was you put this product, keep it for 2-3 hours and then wash it off. If you have sensitive skin, you do not have to put this product whole night. You can keep it for 2-3 hours. It will work on your skin much better. But having said that, if you are using this product for the first time or any acid based product for the first time, keep it for 2-3 hours and then wash up and increase little by little. Does it work? Yes, it works on my skin. It is a miracle in a bottle. It has changed my skincare game altogether. I have stopped using any physical exfoliant after getting introduced to this chemical exfoliant. It has reduced my scars. It has reduced my pigmentation. This small bottle is going to last me long. Firstly, I'm not going to use daily on my skin, and secondly, I'm going to use this product on limitation. You have to be very cautious with this product. You cannot drench your cotton pad into it and put all over your face. Now let's see the application. Apply this toner using a cotton pad. I will put 2 to 3 drops and just dab onto my skin. Then keep this glow tonic overnight and wash off next morning and put lot of sunscreen. Other way to use it, you just keep it for 2-3 hours, then wash off and use a nice cream. Trust me guys, this has changed my skincare game altogether. I could see visible result after using this. My skin has been much more even and much more smooth. But I will recommend the use of this product after mid-20s and for all my teenage friends and for the people who have very sensitive skin. I will show you how to make natural glycolic acid at home on my next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question regarding this video or the product, please do comment. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Do share this video with your friends and family, and do follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates.